Hey guys, so excited to share with you all my Amrapali jewelry collection. Amrapali is a premium brand and it's a premium jewelry brand actually, and a lot of celebrities carry it. I always wanted to own few, a lot of pieces actually, but all I could manage was few of these. It's over the past 8 years I've managed this collection. So let's start. This was my first Amrapali jewelry that I would say. This was in tie-up with Vogue. I actually just bought this for the piece for this, for this name Amrapali tag actually, honestly. This was just 500 rupees and, it was 8 years back. And that time this, piece of jewelry meant more to me than most product I owned that time. So yeah, good memories honestly with this jewelry. So this piece is technically, I will say, my original first piece. I got it from Jaipur. This is pure silver. This is in silver. Most of the Amrapali jewelry are in silver, and it's a unique piece. I went to the store, to the Jaipur store. I was so besotted, and this was the only thing I could afford. And I'm so glad I bought it because it absolutely I received a lot of compliments. Whenever I wore this earring, very unique, honestly. Next piece is this is from their Manish Arora collection. Now it's a very unique piece, as you can clearly see. It's in typical Manish Arora with a lot of loud colors, And I had seen this in the Jaipur store, when I had been first time to the store, but it was very expensive. Like, trust me, guys, some jewelries are sometimes really exorbitant. So, but then after 3 years honestly, 3 years. They launched it in Myntra, and Myntra was having a 50% off. And I had seen Kareena Kapoor wearing this, and from that day onwards, I was fan of this jewelry. And then I finally bought it. It was around my wedding time, so I thought it would be a good addition to my trousseau. Another piece that I got for my wedding trousseau was these. This is in silver. Okay, guys, one point. These are not in silver. These are some metal. I don't know which metal, but definitely not silver. These are in silver. Very beautiful, very intricate. My husband calls it Ferrero Rocher. I got this for my, for my wedding days around those events. Very lovely piece. My sister wants to make, get similar design in gold now because it's so gorgeous. It's such a gorgeous piece. Next, I bought, this piece. This is from the Mastaba Gupta collection. This is not again in silver. It is in brass. I realized one thing that whenever they have a tie-up with other designers, they tend not to make it in silver because the price will really increase more. First they have to give a commission to the designer. Plus, already they are expensive. Plus, going more expensive would have been like crazy. This is a really heavy piece. Trust me, it hurts my ear. I'm not a regular earring person. I do not regularly wear earring, so hence my ear pain a lot. But it's a gorgeous piece, guys. It's such a piece. Everybody asks me, oh, from where did I get this piece? So that is that is the type of piece that we're talking about with Amrapali. Every piece you can see is very unique. This I got this last year. This is again, I was lucky to go to Jaipur and I went to the store. This is from the Manikarnika collection. Just look how beautiful this is. Look how intricate the design is, and it's a unique design it was. Just a simple white kurti, white kurti, and then this earring. How beautiful it will look. So it was a little expensive. I would not lie. It was expensive. It really made me think a lot of time before I finally bought it. But absolutely no regrets. It's a silver piece, so absolutely no regret. Another piece, I got this. This is from the Bahubali collection. I'm guessing Prabhas had worn this in his ears. Not this piece exactly, but yeah, you get the gist, right? So this is quite sturdy. Okay, this is not those type. Oh, you can press it and all. No, for its size, it was quite an expensive piece. But it looks amazing on your ears, guys. Trust me, when you wear this, it looks amazing. And my final piece is this. This is again from the Manikarnika collection. This is for the top part of the ear. People who are piercing, like I have. I think it's called helix. Helix of the in the ear. That's the part. So I have, and this looks amazing on the ear. And it was 900 rupees, so it was not that expensive. it was silver, and silver, yeah, so I felt it was like a good price compared to this was approx 3K. So you can imagine like why I was really hesitating to buy this. But it's a very strong silver piece. It's not just like a, what do you call it, a patra sort of piece. No, it's a very strong piece. So yeah guys, that is it from my end. Which is the piece that you like the most? Do let me know. Thank you so much.